how to make a easy, flavorful vegetarian ramen bowl that your entire family is going to love. First, you want to start off with 1 block of extra firm tofu already pressed. Next, you're going to season it with your favorite seasonings. I use seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Next, you're going to place them on a hot grill that's been sprayed and grill them until they look like this, golden brown and delicious. Now you're going to take your ramen bowl of ramen using the regular packet, maybe a little bit of onions in the broth as well. We take our grilled bok choy, baby bok choy, place that into the bowl. Next, we will have a boiled egg. Add your nori. It can be in sheets or like we have it chopped up. Then add as much tofu as you like. And as you can see, my husband was going for a good amount of tofu in that bowl. And you know what? It can be as much tofu as you like. It can be cut any way you want. The idea is just to flavor it the way you and your family like it. We top ours with a bit of green onion. Now there you have it, the easy vegetarian ramen bowl that your family will love. Make it on the weeknight, make it on the weekend, make it anytime where you just want that flavor of being in a restaurant and you just don't feel like going.